Hi, today we're going to talk about appointment request forms and we're going to understand how we can create automated PDFs out of this simple Google document template file. So as you can see, this is an appointment request form which has been created as a Google document, and corresponding to this, we also have a Notion database which has all the appointment form details. What we'll be doing today is we'll be automating the process of generating PDF files using the information from this Notion database, and we'll create a PDF file one by one for every record of the database using this simple Google document template that we have created over here. So we'll use this Google document template, we'll use this Notion database, and we'll create the PDF files completely on automation. How exactly will this be possible? First of all, we need to go to pdfoutput.com. This is the website which will help us create the entire automation for our requirement. Click on get started and click on continue, and once you are inside this, select your particular account and then click on continue over here, and make sure you enable this checkbox which is very much required for the automation to function. So this checkbox must be enabled. Scroll down, click on continue, and once that is done, what we need to do is we need to add a Notion database. So click on add Notion database and click on connect to Notion, and what we need to do is just simply copy this database title that we have on your end. So I'll just copy this title and click on select pages, choose the particular account, and paste the title inside this field. Okay, so you will have the database populated. Click on this, it will automatically be added, and you can see that database populated over here. Then click on allow access. So this will give access to the database which you have added right now. So just wait for a few seconds and you will be able to see the database. If it is not coming, just refresh it once and you will be able to see the particular database that you have added. So let's wait for a few seconds, and you can see the application form database showing over here. Click on this, click on next, and it's time to add the Google document. So this is the document which I'm going to use. So what I'll do is I'll simply copy this title from here, and I will just click on add Google Doc and click on select Google document and put the title inside this document field. Okay, so I'll just put this title inside this field and I will search for it. So you can see the document showing here. Click on this and click on select. So now we have got both the document as well as the database added. It's time to start mapping the properties, and then we can generate a PDF file. So what we need to do is on the right side, we can see all the properties that we have fetched from this corresponding application form database. And on the left side, you can see the document. So I just need to copy and paste the properties onto the document which I need to map. Then the PDFs can be generated. So first is I need an appointment ID. So let me search if I have an appointment ID. So let me see if I have any ID available in this column. If it is not there, we can look for other columns. So let's say I have the full name field over here. Okay. So I'll just search for the name field if I have any. So you can see there is a full name field. Click on this to copy. So it copies that particular column reference. Remove the particular field which you do not need and simply use Control V or Command V to paste it. Okay. So I simply copied and pasted the name property over here. Then we have email address. So I have the email field. Let's click to copy and simply remove this field and paste it. Then we have the phone number. So make sure to use a keyboard shortcut to paste it. That way it will work clearly. So I'll remove it and I will paste it. Okay, so I'm going to stop here. I'm not going to go with mapping all the fields for this purpose. You can obviously map the fields. What it will do is it will map these three fields which we have added, and it will generate the PDF files for us. Okay, click on download PDF, and here you have different options to go with. I'll go with all the rows because I want to generate the PDF file for every record. Then I will select the naming convention as the full name of the person. So I will simply check for the full name over here. So you can see full name coming here, and I'll click on start. So it will generate me three files, reading the values from the database one by one. Okay. So you can see the first file is already out, which is Carol Davis, which is this file, and then we are going to generate the other two files. So let's wait for a few seconds as the files are getting downloaded, and now all the files are complete. Let's go to the downloads folder, and you can see Carol Davis is already out, and you can see these three fields have been correctly mapped, fetching the values from the database that we had created over here. Okay, let's check the second file. So this is Bob Williams. You can see the three fields have again been mapped. And finally, let's check the last file, Alice Johnson. This is also correctly mapped. So basically, we created three files quickly on automation simply by mapping the fields onto the document using the database on the right side, and it created the PDF files for us. This is how simple and easy it is to use. Simply add the database, add the document, map the fields, and generate the PDF. That's it. If you have any questions, you can reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com. This is my email ID, where you can reach out to me. or you can use this chat bubble to send me a message with your queries. I'll be happy to take up issues on this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye bye.